Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to view all members in a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. With the latest update, managing and exploring group information has become easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your preferred browser. To do this, visit web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the screen. Next, locate the group whose members you want to view. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find the group. Once you've found it, click on the group chat to open it. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's contact info panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find various details about the group, such as its description and settings. Finally, scroll down within this panel until you see the list of members. This section will display all participants in the group, including their names and profile pictures. You can now easily browse through this list to see everyone who is part of the group. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can view all members of any WhatsApp group directly from WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is especially useful for managing large groups or simply staying informed about who's in a conversation. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your WhatsApp experience even better.